Beautiful large one bedroom with a balcony in Elmhurst. This is entrance. On the left is a double door closet, coat closet, kitchen. This is the living room. It's an L-shaped living room with a beautiful large one bedroom in Elmhurst. This entrance. On the left is a double door closet, kitchen with a dining area all the way at the end. And this is the living room. Very large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. And it's an L-shaped living room. Got 2 windows. And this is the kitchen. A lot of cabinets, kind of space. That's the stove. Fridge. So this is like a dining area for the kitchen. That's the linen closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. And this is the bedroom with a balcony. On the entrance there is a closet. A large bedroom, you can fit a king size bed. The window. There's a very large closet in the bedroom. And this is the balcony here. There's a balcony. And the building has the elevator, laundry in the building. Very close to the train, the grocery shop. And it's a very good price apartment. It's going to go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.